Good morning to all. Today we learn about Shirshasana, that is standing on head. This most important asana. Observe carefully and practice. Standing. Tadasana. It is Samasthiti. Take 3 deep breathings here. Then inhaling. Slowly raise the hands from both sides and stretch upwards maximum. Then exhaling, slowly bend forward and kneel down. Now place the both forearms and insert the fingers as a locking position. Then slowly place the center head at the middle of the palms. Then take deep breathing. Slowly lift both legs straightly and do normal breath here. Slowly bring both feet towards the head. Then take slow and deep breathing. Now slowly fold both the knee joints and lift the both legs to upwards and then slowly stretch them up to the straight line. Be balanced on elbows. Elbows should be in the shoulder line. Now tight both thighs, calf muscles and feet. In this Shirshasana position, take minimum 10 breathings, 10 normal breathings. This Shirshasana at the beginning don't do all. First take support the wall. Then after mastery over this asana, then you can do directly like this. Breathe normally. After that, stretch both legs to the both sides. This is Prasarita Pada Shirshasana. Be here a while. Take 5 normal breath. Then observe it. Slowly exhaling, move the waist and both legs should be sides. The same way another side. This is the another vinyasa of the Shirshasana. And then now with normal breathings, join the both feet just like Namaskara position. Be here with 5 normal breath. Then again inhaling, slowly lift the both legs up. Again come to straight line. Then exhaling, slowly bend knee joints and make a small curve at backbone, and feet should be just like scorpion position. Now inhaling again, lift the both legs and down to the, keep them on the floor. After come to the floor, don't lift your head immediately. Here we have to take some care. After completion of Shirshasana, should not lift head immediately. Lift your head and keep it on the fingers. Breathe 5 slow breathings. Then after that, inhaling slowly raise, stand on the knees. Then again inhaling, lift the both hands over the head. Here also take 5 slow breathings, and then inhaling, lift the knee joints and come to the third asana, Samasthiti position. Now exhaling, come to Savasana stage and lay down. Take rest here. Some precautions I am giving here. Please follow them. At very beginning, don't practice Shirshasana on the bare floor or without having smooth mat or blanket under the head. This is most important. Then the freshers immediately don't practice Shirshasana. They have to practice 1 month at least the primary asanas and intermediate asanas. After practicing of primary asanas, then try to practice Shirshasana. At the very beginning, take the support of wall few days. After get mastery, then you can practice on the mat directly. So this is most important. The Shirshasana is very powerful asana. We have to practice regularly. There are so many diseases will be prevented by this Shirshasana. I will mention few diseases, that is like common headache, anemia, hyperacidity, hypertension, stress, depression, arthritis of all joints, backbone, the lung infections just like asthma and bronchitis, allergies. The low blood pressure patients also can practice this, but high blood pressure patients should not practice. Those who are suffering with coccyx pain also practice, and diabetic, diarrhea, epilepsy, fatty, prostate gland problem patients can practice this asana, and it cures rheumatic pains and solve the impotency, insomnia, sciatica and migraine. The so many diseases can be controlled, and varicose veins also cured by practice of this Shirshasana. So kindly listen all the precautions and then try to practice this Shirshasana carefully. Okay? Thank you to all.